fence post can't dance, Josie. Chicken on a fence post can't dance, Josie. Chicken on a fence post can't dance, Josie. Hello, Susie Brown. Together.
Chicken on a fence post can't dance, Josie. Chicken on a fence post can't dance, Josie. Chicken on a fence post can't dance, Josie. Hello, Susie Brown.
Listen, chicken on a fence post can't dance, Josie. Listen again and count how many times we hit our legs in that one part. Chicken on a fence post can't dance, Josie. Listen again, count again. Go. Chicken on a fence post can't dance, Josie. Let's count out loud together. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exactly, there's 4 beats in that line. How many squares are there? 4.
4.
It's a miracle. Okay. So this time, let's all gather close together. And we're gonna sing it and tap on the squares. Or point, if pointing works better. Ready, point. Chicken on a fence post can't dance, Josie. Chicken on a fence post can't dance, Josie. Chicken on a fence post can't dance, Josie. Hello, Susie Brown. Nicholas, let's switch places so that you can see it from the right way.
All right.
Okay. This time, remember how sometimes instead of tapping on the beat, we tap the words? Let's try that again. Ready, tap.
Chicken on a fence post can't dance, Josie. Chicken on a fence post can't dance, Josie. Chicken on a fence post can't dance, Josie. Hello, Susie Brown.
Beautiful. Let's try it on here. Ready, point.
Chicken on a fence post can't dance, Josie. Chicken on a fence post can't dance, Josie. Chicken on a fence post can't dance, Josie.
And stop. We're just gonna focus on those words right now. Chicken on a fence post can't dance, Josie. Let's hum it and tap. Ready, hum. We were supposed to stop and I completely forgot. So, let's think it and tap. Ready, think. And stop. Count how many times we tap in this box. How many times was it? Twice. And what were the words on here? Let's sing. Ready, sing.
Chicken on a fence post can't dance, Josie.
So what are the words here?
Can't dance.
And what were the words here?
Fence post.
Fence post. So why don't we put a fence post for each word we heard? Nicholas, would you like to put how many words you heard on this box? Wonderful. Which box should we figure out next if we feel it?
The one right before that.
Right before it? Let's figure it out. Think and point. How many were on this one?
2.
2. Would you like to put them on?
Oh yeah. I'm a master of that.
All right. Which one next, Brian?
Let's do the first one.
The first one. Great idea. Ready, think, and tap. How many were there? Whisper to your neighbor. 4. All right. Who would like to put 4 little chicks on our first box? Ryan, you knew you were eyeing me.
Chicken.
Now these are baby chickens. What do you call baby chickens?
Chicks.
Chicks. We're gonna call these chicks. And how about this last box? Let's do it one more time. Let's sing for fun. Ready, sing. Chicken on a fence post, can't dance Josie. How many was that?
2.
All right. Now, do we remember our rhythm syllables? We have 2 that we know really well. Does anyone remember what they are? Try whispering it to a friend. I think I heard you guys say ta and TT. You're right, those are the rhythm syllables we know. What does this sound like? I'm gonna sing it, and I want you all to think in your head which ones these sound like. Don't worry about the chicks right now. We're just gonna worry about the fence posts. Chicken on a fence post, can't dance Josie. Chicken on a fence post, can't dance Josie. They come in groups of 2. Which rhythm syllable comes in groups of 2? TT. Let's sing the words here, and let's do our TTs for the rest. Ready, sing.
Chicken on a T T T T T T. Chicken on a T T T T T T. Chicken on a T T T T T T.
And stop. Beautiful. Now, do you think that maybe we could find new words for chicken on the?
Yeah.
You're right. When we see groups of 4, we're gonna call that tika tika. Can we all say tika tika?
Tika tika.
I think it's a little more fun than TT. Let's try singing on tika tika. Sing, ready, go.
Tika tika T T T T T T. Tika tika T T T T T T. Tika tika T T T T T T.
Good job stopping. All right. So now, we have a word for tika tika. Do you know what we call TTs? 8th notes. Nicolette, give yourself a kiss on the brain.
Janelle just like zoomed in on that.
So, these are called 8th notes. And our tika tikas, when we're being fancy, we're going to call them 16th notes. And they look like 8th notes a little bit, but there's 4 of them, right? So let's sing it one more time on tika tika. Ready, sing.
Tika tika T T T T T T. Tika tika T T T T T T. Tika tika T T T T T.
Okay, so if we were gonna write these, if we were gonna write this like our 8th notes, can someone tell me, does this look like the 8th notes we learned about?
No.
What does that look like?
Tom.
A top. Does anyone put your finger on your nose if you felt comfortable making this an 8th note? I see Brian and Nicolette. I saw Brian first. Brian, come on up here and make 2 TTs. Smarter Prance Brian. How does that look to everyone? Wonderful. These are our TTs. And our tika tikas, like I told you, they're gonna look pretty similar. But there's how many of them?
4.
4. And just to make them stand out a little more, we add an extra roof. Just like that. So what's the difference between how this one looks and how this one looks?
There's more of that one.
There's more of that one. Anyone else have something they notice that's different?
Second line.
Yeah, there's that second roof we talked about. So, if we were making this our song, what are we missing? If we were making this our song, we have our, what is this called again?
Tika tika.
We have our tika tika and 1 TT. What are we missing?
TTs.
2 more TTs. Nicolette, why don't you draw 2 more TTs? Beautiful. Let's sing a tune here one more time, just to remember how it goes. Sing, ready, go. Tika tika ti 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 ti. Tika tika ti 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 ti. Tika tika ti 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 ti. And stop. Now let's try it up here. So what are these called when we're being fancy? We don't know yet, Miss Kelsey. Yes. Well, these are called eighth notes, and these are called 16th notes when we're being fancy.
16.
Yes, 16. Ready, sing.
Tika tika ti 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 ti. Tika tika ti 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 ti. Tika tika ti 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 ti.
All done. Wonderful. Thank you, friends.